Understanding years young, a fun twist on age. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and uplifting phrase in English, years young. You might have heard this expression and wondered what it really means and when it's used. So, let's explore this together and add a little more flair to your English vocabulary. Years young is a playful and positive twist on the standard way of stating one's age. Traditionally, we say, years old. For example, I am 30 years old. However, years young is used to emphasize vitality, youthfulness, and a positive attitude towards aging. It suggests that age is not just a number but also a state of mind. This phrase is often used in celebratory contexts, like birthdays or significant milestones. It's a way of saying that despite the years passing, the person still possesses a youthful spirit. For instance, my grandmother is 80 years young today. Here, it highlights the energy and liveliness of the grandmother despite her age. It's important to use this phrase appropriately and sensitively, as it can be perceived as insincere or patronizing if used in the wrong context. Let's see how this phrase works in various sentences. 1. At 70 years young, John is still running marathons. 2. Our dance teacher is 50 years young and as energetic as ever. 3. Celebrating 90 years young with a heart full of joy. Notice how in each example, years young is paired with a positive attribute or achievement, reinforcing the idea of youthful enthusiasm or capability. In some cultures, age is associated with wisdom and respect, whereas in others, youth is highly valued. Using years young can be a way to bridge these perspectives, acknowledging both the respect for age and the admiration for youthful energy. It's a small linguistic twist that carries significant cultural implications. So, there you have it. Years young is more than just a quirky way of talking about age. It's a celebration of life, energy, and a positive attitude, regardless of one's chronological age. I hope you found this explanation helpful and maybe a bit inspiring. Keep practicing, and remember, learning English is not just about the words but also about the culture and nuances behind them. Until next time, stay curious and happy learning.